welcome to Looped and Knotted, the cozy corner where you learn to crochet with confidence, one stitch at a time. Today I'm going to help you decode those yarn labels that can seem a little overwhelming at first glance. Whether you're standing in the craft aisle or shopping online, this is important information for beginners to have. Every yarn label is filled with helpful information. Let's break it down together. First up, yarn weight. This tells you how thick the yarn is. A 4 means medium weight, like worsted yarn, a great choice for beginners. You might also see other yarns called DK, bulky, super bulky, or sport weight, and we'll dive into all of those in future videos. Next, look for fiber content. Is it cotton, acrylic, wool? This affects how soft, stretchy, or warm your project will feel. For beginners, I recommend soft cotton or acrylic yarn. It's easy to work with and gentle on your hands. This little icon tells you what hook size the yarn works best with. If you're following pattern, go with the hook that is suggested, but this number gives you a good starting point. Here's the gauge box. It tells you how many stitches and rows make up a 4x4 inch square using the recommended hook. Don't worry if this seems advanced. I'll guide you through gauge in another lesson. These icons show you how to care for your project, like whether it's machine washable or needs hand washing. You worked hard on it. Let's keep it looking great. Also check the yardage. That's how much yarn you're going to get. And always check the dye lot number if you're buying multiples. That keeps the color consistent. See? Yarn labels aren't so scary once you know what to look for. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and check out my beginner crochet course. It's totally free and walks you through every step. Happy stitching, and I'll see you in the next video.